Our second topic this evening, the issue of bail amounts and whether the fact that they are totally insignificant encourages hit-and-run accidents and people taking them lightly, people getting off easy. It's seen in the light of the heartbreaking case of Charu Khandal, who had a major hit-and-run on her way back from celebrating her national award win. Here's her story.
The headline faces of India's drunk driving cases. They sum up everything that's wrong with our drunk driving laws and their enforcement. Laws that people flout with impunity and get away with, even if they're not rich or famous. The face of the latest ghastly drunk driving accident, 28-year-old award-winning animator Charu Khandal. While her chances of survival slip, the accused, Manoj Netrapal, has walked out on bail.
They took the entire statement of mine, but still there's no help from their side. And then मेरे को पता लग रहा है कि in $5,000 में उसको bail हो जाता है. 5,000 is not important in Mumbai, so it's very easy. Everybody can drink and drive, then pay 5,000 rupees and go out.
Their sense of injustice heightened because even the police acknowledged the driver was drunk. Manoj Netrapal was charged with drunk, rash and negligent driving, all bailable offences. No matter how serious the victim is, more stringent sections like culpable homicide not amounting to murder cannot be applied, ironically, unless the victim dies. In Khandal's case, the police slapped 4 charges on the offender, but look at the result. It added up to only about a fine of 5,000 rupees and bail. The maximum punishment he could get is 2 years, but that is only if and when the police pursues the case in court.
I think it should not be bailable because someone hurting someone else and getting out on bail on the very same night is just not fair for the person who's been hurt.
What's more shocking, even if a victim dies, one of the key charges, which is death by negligence, is bailable and attracts a jail term of only 2 years. This mostly applies to cases of rash driving, where intent to kill cannot be proved. There's only one strong section of the law that can apply to fatal drunk driving accidents and is non-bailable. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder. It can result in 10 years jail to a life term. Yet the police often don't apply it, sometimes under pressure, sometimes because their investigation is too shoddy to support the charge in court. Salman Khan was initially charged with this section after he, driving drunk, ran over and killed a pavement dweller in 2002. Subsequently, the charge had to be dropped because the only eyewitness first turned hostile and then died, weakening the case.
There is a need to the legislature to act, and there is need for an appropriate interpretation by the superior courts, particularly High Court and Supreme Court.
Charu Khandal's spine is broken in several places. At 28, her life has crashed to a halt. The family wants justice for the offender that will match the irreversible damage. So do many viewers moved to spontaneous activism. But going by the gaping holes in the law, this outrage and concern is all one might have to settle for in the name of higher justice. In Mumbai, Priyanka Kakodkar for NDTV.
So, joining us for more on that story, we have Ritu Khandal, who is Charu's sister, and also in studio we have Majid Memon, very famous criminal lawyer, and the topic we're discussing is, should bail amounts match crime? Ritu, if I can just start with you. First of all, how is your sister?
She's not well. She's still in ICU, and the problem is operation is not possible because she have multiple injuries. She has severe swelling inside the spinal cord, so the doctors will wait till Thursday. She's under inspection, and cannot say anything because in the morning only she stopped breathing. They have to give her the artificial oxygen and all. So cannot say anything. We have to wait till Thursday. Then after surgery only we can say she is actually serious because she cannot sense anything. Her body is not working.